Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we're going to open a Rocksbox. I don't know where my kitties are, but they have been MIA for like 90% of my videos lately. Cali is just, where are you? Are you in that box? I think she's sitting in the crate thinking she's going to get fed, knowing that that doesn't happen until like 7 o'clock at night. It's like, what, 12:30? She wants lunch. She thinks she's going to get some lunch. I'm not even going to get any lunch. I'm not going to do it. Rocksbox. Yes, okay. Jewelry rental. Fun way to keep your jewelry fresh and new. They sanitize everything before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about that. They give you instructions on how to clean it if you do need to clean it. It's $21 a month. That's not a box. A month. So you pay your $21 and you can get multiple boxes in a month if you send it back quickly. I think I normally at least get 2 because I send them back fairly quickly. Well, come on, baby girl. Come on. Did you hear me talking about you? I see you licking your lips. Come on. Come up here with mommy. Get this out of my lap so she'll be in my lap. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. It's very customizable if you want all gold or all silver, or if you just want to get whatever, which is what I normally do. You can tell them if you don't do earrings or rings or whatever. You can go on the wish list and pick the stuff you like that you want them to send. You can tell them 1 through 8, send me this stuff first. I guess that's the air conditioner. It just caught me off guard. I got this big noise all of a sudden. Oh my goodness, Cali, you and your fur. You and your fur. Oof. Every day, all day, fur everywhere, floating through my house. Y'all, I can't tell you how many times I have went and I was editing videos and I could see fur flying through, and I'm like, man, maybe I should turn my ceiling fan off when I'm filming so that doesn't happen. But I don't think about it because it stays on all the time. Yes, I know. Off the subject, as always. The $21 is credited back to you if you decide to keep anything. They do give you discounts. When you spend up to $50, you get like 5% at that point. When you spend $200, you get 10% at that point. When you spend $1,000, I think it's 15, and then you get extra bonuses and things as well. They run specials through the month. I think this month, if we keep 2 of our pieces, we get a free necklace. Last month, it was like you got 30% off if you kept everything. It just depends on the month. If you want to try Rocksbox, I do have a code and a link below. So you can either use the link or you can go straight to Rocksbox and use my code. It is GINAPBFF45. I don't know where the 45 came from because I'm not 45 yet, but that's just what they chose for me, and I'm okay with that. I still got a few more years, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there quick. What else do I need to tell you? I don't think there's anything. I just need to show you. They do send you previews. Normally, I just let them send me whatever, but you can go through and switch out pieces if you know it's something you're not going to wear. But a lot of times, they've been sending me stuff off my wish list. So, I'm like, okay, I'll wear it, whatever. They got Christmas stuff coming out right now. All kinds of different fun stuff. Keep your bubble bag. You're going to return the stuff in here. You just they're going to give you a label. You just put it on top of the other label. And that way, it doesn't charge you for shipping and all that stuff. I love the fall design. I wonder when they're going to switch to winter. I guess when winter gets here. It just... Daniel was talking about how we're going to get down to freezing a few days this week. So I've got it in my brain. Hello, gorgeous. On the back, your care instructions for the regular jewelry, the fine and the demi-fine. Rocksbox, y'all. Callie's like, Mama, I didn't get up here for you to do this. I want you to pet me. 3 pieces of jewelry in the nice little baggies. And my price sheet in the bottom, and also that return label is on the back. So, it looks like I got 2 Kendra Scotts this time. Oh, Kendra Scott. Earrings. Now, these, I considered actually swapping these out. I don't know why. I don't know. I looked at them and I was like, I don't know. But, I mean, they're cute. They've got that cute little square stone. You know, the cute little stone. And it's got 2 different sizes of hoop on it. I don't know why I was thinking I wasn't sure about it. So, this is Kendra Scott. Love Kendra Scott, y'all. Y'all know this. This is the Arden Huggie earrings in silver. They're $65. See, I'd never pay $65 for a pair of earrings. With this box, I pay $21 and I get to try those $61 earrings and wear them out and look like I have the money to spend on them, even though I do not. I like that. I like feeling fancy. I've worn, you know, $130 necklaces before, and I never would have gotten to wear anything like that if it wasn't for Rocksbox. Cali, you got fur on me, baby girl. You gotta wave hi to the camera before you run away. Say hi! Look at her. She's like, Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mama? Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, Mama, stop. Alright, what do you think of them? Do you like them? I mean, they're okay. I don't love them. I wouldn't pay $65 for them, but they're okay. What do y'all think? Alright, let's move on. Let's look at the next Kendra Scott necklace. And so, oh, this one's pretty. Love Kendra Scott. They have their own design. I mean, you can walk into a place, you can see somebody, and you know that necklace is from Kendra Scott because they have this iconic design to them. And I love it. I think it's so beautiful. It's so timeless. I showed it to you backwards. I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the stone. They have the Kendra Scott label. They have the Kendra Scott logo. It is extendable. Let's put it on. This is the Baguette Elsa pendant in silver. It is $85. Now, I don't think I could pay $85 for it, but man, isn't it cute? And it could go shorter and could go a little longer. It's cute. I love the color of the stone. I love the design to it. What is tickling me? I'm all broke out, y'all, from being sick. That happens when I'm sick. But look how cute. I like it a lot. If I had 85 extra dollars, I would buy this one. This is adorable. I would wear it all the time because it would match to my stuff. All right, let's go to the last piece. This is Luv AJ, and it's a ring. It's gold, which this is one thing I thought was a little strange. Normally they pick us, you know, pick silver or gold, but they actually sent me 2 silvers and 1 gold. But that's okay. Look at this ring, y'all. Is that not lovely? Please focus. Please focus, camera. How do I get you to focus? Tangled in the cord. No wonder I keep unplugging it. Yeah, I hope it's focusing now. Look at how lovely that is. So pretty. It looks like it could be a wedding band, you know? This is the Pave Hex Signet ring in gold, $64. I think I get a 7. And I normally have to wear it on my index. I could size down. I think it's pretty. And it's textured all the way around. I think it's very pretty. I'd like it better down here. I don't know, it feels funny down there. Do y'all's rings do that when you shut your fingers? They go all crooked, or is that just a me thing because my hands are so tiny? Yeah. I like it. I think it's cute. Of course, this was my favorite. I'm not going to be keeping anything from this set for sure because I don't want to pay for that. Even though I really do want to pay for that, you know what I mean? Yeah. I have some credit. I may have to think about it. Ooh, y'all let me know what you think. Comment below. Press all those lovely YouTube buttons. You know the drill. I'm not going to go through it again because I've already done it like 1, 2, 3 times already. Y'all, thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful. Let me know what you think of the jewelry and subscribe if you haven't yet. Like and subscribe. Always fun. Y'all, God bless.